from the Pelican Seafood Marketing Grill. Today we thought we'd send some fish cooking tips home for you to work out during this great pandemic that we have going on. So today we're going to do a mussel white sauce. It's basically, we have some leeks, some garlic, chili flake, salt, pepper, about a half pound of lovely East Coast mussels. So we have a pan over medium heat. We don't want it too hot because we're going to start with butter. No oil this time because we're just going to lightly melt some butter and sweat some leeks. We don't really want to add color. We just want to sweat them down a little bit. Get to my tongs. So we don't want to, like I said, add any color to the leek. We just want to sweat them, let the butter soften them and make them all gently cooked. Season with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, chili flake to taste. We like them spicy at my house. And then we're going to add about a half a teaspoon of garlic. And we want to cook the garlic out because nobody really likes the raw garlic in the mouth. You know, you want to get a little bit of color to the garlic because that adds a nice kind of nutty flavor to it. And again, but we don't want to overcook it because burnt garlic is pretty nasty. So as you see the leeks start to soften, they become translucent. We're going to add our half pound of mussels that we cleaned. We pulled the beards off them and we rinsed them in some nice cold water. And of course, we always keep our seafood in the fridge to make sure that it's nice and safe. So we want to coat the mussels with the butter, the seasoning, get that flavor all over the shell. And we're going to turn our heat up a little bit. This is what we call fast food at the Pelican because the order of mussels can take anywhere from, they don't take long. 3 to 5 minutes for those. A little bit of white wine. I wouldn't go to the vintages section to get your white wine. A nice little bit of cooking wine. Deglaze the pan, we'll see it start to bubble up as it hits the fat. And we just want to reduce the wine to cook off that alcohol flavor. So I'd reduce it by about half. And again, with an open pan, that happens quickly. And then we're going to add a little bit of fish stock. Let them start to simmer. You can see some of them are starting to open up already. And then the last touch, a little bit of cream, just to bring the sauce together. And again, high heat now. And then we take a nice lid and we're going to steam the mussels for about a minute. Some people like them cooked less. I prefer my mussel cooked for about a minute. I like the sauce flavor to get into that mussel. You'll really taste the difference in the end. No peeking. You have to be patient again. No peeking. Again, variations of this dish. Instead of using the cream, you could add a tomato sauce, have a mussel red. We sell a lovely red Thai curry sauce in the market. Again, same procedure. Instead of the cream, add the curry sauce, tomato sauce. You can also do this dish without the cream and have just the stock white wine sauce. It's also lovely. But this is definitely our #1 seller. So as you can see, our mussels are all nice and open. If you come across one that didn't open all the way, we'll just get rid of them. And you can see the sauce is bubbling away, it's reducing, it's getting nice and thick. Make sure you have a loaf of crusty bread because frankly the sauce is the best part. Sometimes if they aren't open, you just give them a little tap, kind of wakes them up, gets the sauce right in there. A little bit of chopped parsley for color. Give it one last stir. And then we go into the bowl. Come on, woo! It's always good to taste one so you know how good a job you've done. All the white wine, the richness of the cream. And here's a little trick. You've eaten your first one, now you have a perfect little set of tongs to eat the rest. I could eat these all day.